Debunking myths about passive income. In today's world, the allurement of passive income has struck a chord in the minds of many budding entrepreneurs and investors. However, the concept is often enveloped in myths that lead to a lot of unrealistic expectations and disappointments. Let's delve into and debunk 15 common myths about passive income with evidence-based information to set the record straight. One of the most persistent myths about passive income is that it requires no work. Nothing could be further from the truth. Building a passive income stream requires significant upfront effort, ongoing management, and constant optimization to remain profitable. From rental properties to dividend-paying stocks, digital products, or a blog, every potential source of income requires in-depth research and detailed planning. Most people think of passive income as a way to magically get rich overnight. Actually, creating sustainable passive income requires a thoughtful approach that takes time. You can expect to spend anywhere from 3 to 6 months evaluating options and studying market trends, and another 6 to 12 months in setup and implementation. Success with passive income tends to be incremental as you refine your strategies and expand your assets. Passive income seldom replaces the job right away. It's susceptible to volatility and uncertainties far different from the predictability of a regular salary. Factors such as market changes or property vacancies may influence earnings, adding an element of financial uncertainty not common in traditional employment. This myth assumes that passive income is reserved for tech-savvy individuals. In real life, today's tools are built to be user-friendly and designed for the average non-techie person. While you may need to invest some time in learning new tools, you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the world of passive income. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be wealthy to access profitable passive income opportunities. While some methods may require capital, there are several ways to generate passive income with minimal initial investment, such as creating digital products or starting a blog. Many people dismiss passive income as a pipe dream. However, passive income is not a magical money-making scheme, but a real and achievable way to earn an income online. With the right strategies and dedication, you can create a sustainable income stream that continues to grow over time. Depending on a single passive income stream is very risky. Building a stable passive income portfolio requires diversification. You will have to create many streams of cash flow, whether it be writing numerous books or owning a number of rental properties. This helps to spread the risks and provides for a more consistent overall income. While passive income can ensure a continuous flow of income, it is not always secure. Passive income may further face fluctuations in market conditions, consumer preferences, or changes in the economic landscape. One should be well prepared to face such ups and downs and always be ready with a backup strategy. The passive income landscape is continually changing, and what worked today will not work tomorrow. Successful passive income earners are constantly learning, adopting new trends, and sharpening their strategies. This continuing education is part of maintaining and growing your passive income streams. Different passive income strategies come with different levels of risk, potential return, and required effort. For instance, dividend investing may provide lower returns but with less effort, while real estate investing could provide higher returns but require more active management. It is important to choose strategies that align with your goals, resources, and risk tolerance. No passive or active income is guaranteed. Even passive income sources that are well established can struggle and sometimes even fail. Approach passive income with realistic expectations and be prepared to adapt if and when necessary. While passive income is designed to be more hands-off than active income, it still requires some level of ongoing management. For example, rental properties need maintenance, and online courses may require updates to stay relevant. The goal is to minimize the time and effort required, not eliminate it altogether. While financial gain is a primary motivation, passive income can offer other benefits. It can provide financial security, allow for more flexible lifestyles, and even serve as a creative outlet. Many successful passive income earners find satisfaction in creating value for others through their products or services. While having a large audience surely helps, it is not indispensable for passive income success. Usually, many niche markets are highly convertible with a smaller, much more dedicated audience. The core is to add value to and solve certain problems your target market faces, notwithstanding its size. The concept of passive income is not new. It is an age-old idea whereby the landlord received rent and the investor dividends. What has changed is access to passive income opportunities, which has been made possible through technology and the internet. Today, anyone with the right skills and dedication can potentially create passive income streams. To this effect, passive income presents amazing prospects, but it should also be considered with realistic expectations regarding its concept. Passive income does not guarantee financial freedom, but has become a systematic way to wealth creation over time. Following are the key ingredients to successful passive income generation. Huge upfront effort and investment. Ongoing learning and adaptation. Patience and persistence. Diversification of income streams. Ongoing management and optimization. By debunking these common myths, we can approach passive income with a more grounded perspective. It's not about finding a shortcut to wealth, but rather about strategically building income streams that can provide financial stability and freedom over time. Remember, the most successful passive income earners are the ones who put in the work at the beginning, stay committed to their goals, and stay fluid when challenges arise. If set up correctly and approached the right way, passive income can be a really strong tool for long-term wealth and financial independence. Keep these debunked myths in mind as you get on with your passive income journey. Be prepared to invest time, effort, and resources into building passive income streams. Be open to an ever-evolving market with new trends every other day, and one should not be afraid to change the strategy along the way if required, and most importantly, be in realistic expectations and celebrate the small wins. You just need some persistence and the right approach. Thus, passive streams will be developed. These passive streams can help to further your financial well-being and create space for you to do stuff that interests you instead, providing a better sense of freedom and flexibility. That's a fact. No money is made by not doing anything, but hard work combined with smart foresight creates income streams long after your initial efforts end.